Hi, I'm Cheryl.
And I'm Maria.
And welcome to the Sewing Room channel.
Well, we are back again with another JOANN's shopping haul video. Highly requested.
Yes.
All of you guys seem to really like
and
to
we
see
don't
what we bought.
mind doing it because we love looking at fabric.
Any excuse to go shopping.
Yeah,
So.
especially for me.
So
and,
let's.
Manny kind of cringes when I said I'm going to the store to buy some fabric, and goes, "Oh no!" But anyway, so we're going to share with you what we got.
And before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. The Sewing Room channel. That's what you're looking for.
Yeah. Okay.
All right.
All right. So this one you picked out.
I picked out. So any fans of the television show Friends? It's one of my favorite TV shows. This is a four-way stretch knit fabric.
Four-way stretch. You know, and what has it got on there?
So Monica's apartment, it's got the little door frame.
Yeah.
And then it says Friends. And I was thinking...
Okay, let's open this up a little
I was
bit
thinking
more.
that my mom could make me a nursing cover.
And yeah, the cover that you can put over the, what do you call that little thing? The
Well,
baby
it just goes over your head, and it
over
just
your head
covers you for when you are breastfeeding.
Yes,
Yeah.
very good. So anyway, she wanted something that didn't look like it's just for a baby. It looks more adult-like.
Yeah.
So I thought, okay, this is great. This is perfect for that.
Oh, and then this one I also picked out.
She picked this out.
Okay. So we got to the store just in time as they were stocking brand new fabrics to the shelves. So we got really lucky, and this was the fabric they had just gotten in.
Yeah.
It's for the Christmas holidays.
We found out that on Sundays,
well, at least at our store.
on Sundays, JOANN's stocks the shelves, and by Monday afternoon, they're usually completed. So if you go like in the afternoon, you're going to get first pick of all
I
the
picked
new
this
fabric.
off. It wasn't even on the shelf yet. I picked this off the cart, but it's little avocados that are dressed up for Christmas.
Yeah, they got Santa
how
hats
cute
on.
are these little avocados?
It's really, really cute.
And I do love avocados, and I love Christmas. So
stocking hats.
Yeah.
So I'm not sure.
Well, I was thinking face masks.
That would be fun. So think of, since you're kind of stuck at home, think of fun fabrics you can use for your face masks, okay? And this is really, really cute, and your kids would probably even love this too. So, okay, so what else did we get? Oh, yes. Now, I picked this out because I want to make some Christmas-themed baby bibs, and I like making baby bibs out of flannel because it's really, really soft. So this is little puppies with little stocking caps on.
Yeah, Santa's got little candy canes and little green
stars
Christmas trees.
or snowflakes,
I
should say.
Snowflake or stars.
So this is really cute. In fact, you can even make doggy scarves out of these if you wanted to.
But we're going to use it for a Christmas baby bib.
Yeah, and I might even do some embroidery on this because I think that would look cute.
Yeah, and by the way, we will have tutorials on the baby bib and the nursing cover coming up.
Right.
So super important that you ring the bell so you get notifications when those videos are released.
Yeah, make sure you do that. Okay, Maria also helped me pick this one out. We thought it would be cute for a little coin purse or a very small little bag to keep. Maybe you can put gift cards in it or just keep other little cards in your purse.
But it's neon.
It's really, really
got green and pink and orange and just really fun pops of neon colors.
Yeah, very, very pretty. So think of making a little coin purse, and there's lots of links that we have.
Or even this for a face mask. You can do
mask, yeah. If you like super colorful things, you can even do that. You can actually do just about anything with this. But that's what we had in mind when we saw
little coin purses.
Right. Okay. This one I picked out because I'm going to be making another face mask with glow in the dark.
Yeah, this fabric's glow in the dark.
Fabric. Isn't this cute? Because I think the kids will love it. So for those kids especially that are going back to school on Halloween Day, because a lot of the public schools celebrate Halloween. They do like a little, I don't know, festival or something.
Yeah, they did when I was little.
Yeah. So I think it would be fun if they had a cute little Halloween face mask to wear. And they had other prints. This one I just happen to like a lot. So look for glow in the dark Halloween fabric. If you can't find it, just ask them. And you can probably purchase this online at JOANN.com. So look online. If you don't live near a JOANN Fabrics and Crafts, look at JOANN.com. They have free shipping so on a lot of their items, so especially if you have it shipped to a local store. It will ship to your store. You can just go and pick it up at curbside. So there you go.
And I'll look up each of these fabrics online, and any of the ones that are available on JOANN's website, I will link below in the about description of this video.
Okay? All right. Now I picked out this next fabric. All right, it's orange. The reason why I bought it is, believe it or not, this is my little bit of orange fabric that I have left. The rest of this up here is peach, and all I have is little small pieces. So in order to restock my orange fabric, because I happen to really like orange a lot, I purchased this at JOANN Fabrics and Crafts. And this one, I believe, is part of their, let me look it up. This is part of their Keepsake quilting line of fabric. This is what JOANN carries. Now JOANN has 3 or 4 different lines of quilting fabric that they carry. There's their Keepsake, which is kind of a medium price range. Then they have their Quilter's Choice fabric, which is what I like to buy a lot of because it's inexpensive and it often goes on sale at 40 to 50% off. So this is some of the orange that I bought, and it just has tiny little flowers on it, but it's really, really pretty. So I did get another orange. This one is really nice. This is leaves and vines all over it. And again, I think this is also the Keepsake. Let me see. I can't really tell. What does it say here? Just
It doesn't say.
It doesn't say, but I think this was in the Keepsake quilting section. So if you're new to shopping at JOANN's and you don't know what I'm talking about, when you walk in the store, ask someone to help you. The store I go to, they're very friendly. So all you need to do is just ask, and they'll point you to the area where they have all of their quilting fabric. Now they do have another line of fabric that is their novelty fabrics, and it's not necessarily produced by JOANN's. It's not necessarily their private brand. It's other designers that design the fabric, and I often buy a lot of the novelty fabric because it's a lot of fun, especially when it's special occasions. You can find anything from cupcakes to dogs to, I don't know, sports. Really, really, really fun fabrics in there.
And then while you were there, you also...
Oh, yeah. I don't know about all of you, but how many of you are having problems just finding bias tape? And specifically the 1/4 inch, because a lot of people are using this for face masks. So I was having a really hard time because this is what I also like to use on some of my baby bibs. So I was able to find orange 1/4 inch and yellow in this kind of teal color.
And then green.
The green, this is the 1/2 inch. So on my baby bibs this year, if I'm doing Christmas ones, which I'm going to be doing, I'm going to have to use the 1/2 inch. So sometimes you sort of have to make do with what's available. So you have to be ready to change your plans just a little bit. But if you want to make baby bibs, I suggest the 1/4 inch because it's small, it fits around their neck a little easier. So we had a great time there. In fact, we were in there for hours. Like, I think my son-in-law Jamie was getting just a little tired.
Yeah, he drove us.
He
My
drove
sweet
us.
husband drove us, and we have some other shopping videos from that trip that he helped film. So
Right.
shout out to my husband Jamie for being very patient with me
very,
and my mom.
very patient. And I decided to leave Manny at home because he doesn't have a lot of patience
For
with the
our
shopping.
yeah.
Yeah, he usually just sits at the cutting table, not the cutting table, the pattern table,
Yeah,
playing on
games
his phone. And he helps carry it all out to the car. So anyway, I want to thank Jamie for helping to do some of the do all the photography and help also carry it out to the car for us.
Exactly.
We had a great time.
Well, we hope you enjoyed this shopping haul video. We would love if you would leave a comment below. Let us know if you like these shopping haul videos. Let us know if there's any other stores that you'd like to see us shop at. we'd be happy to go check it out and maybe make a video.
We will be doing some quilt fabric shops because those are fun. The beautiful fabrics, they're usually a little more, but we're going to be going to a couple of those that I think you will really enjoy seeing what they have there, because I love quilt fabric and I usually go crazy in there and buy way too much, but anyway, I really enjoy them. So we'll try to go to more of those. I think you'll find it very interesting to see what you can get there.
Okay. Well, thanks so much for watching.
Yes, and don't forget to subscribe. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. See you next time, and happy sewing! I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click on the thumbs up button. Don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. If you haven't subscribed yet, click on that red subscribe button down there in the lower right-hand corner of your screen. Don't forget to click on the bell and enter your email address so you'll receive email notifications about my latest videos. I'm Cheryl, and this is a lot of mayonnaise. See you next time, and happy sewing!